Hi there, students. Feature. A feature. A countable noun. To feature. A verb. Okay, we use this in various different ways. Let's see. A feature. Any of the parts of the face. The nose. The chin. The mouth. The beard. Yeah? The eyes. These are the different features of the face. So, one of his features is his lovely blue eyes. Come on. Okay, a feature. A distinctive part of a landscape or a city or a building or a work of art. Yeah, so one of the features of this landscape is the fact that it's very green. One of the features of this building is the fact that it's made in London yellow bricks. Yeah. One of the features of this book is it's written in language that's easy to understand. You could have a feature film. That's the principal film at a cinema. Maybe you have a short film before it and then you have the feature film. Well, cinemas are not doing so well nowadays. You could have a feature in a magazine. So there was a feature about the psychology of learning English. Yeah, or there is always a feature about a different politician every month. Okay, so an item that either regularly appears in a magazine or a special prominent story in a newspaper. Okay, to feature, to have as a feature, to have as a specific characteristic. So this film features one of the best known female American actresses. Yeah. So this film features, it gives prominence to an actor. This painting features an imaginary landscape in the future. Okay, so a feature, a prominent part, a part that you notice. So one of the best features of this house is the beautiful conservatory that faces the south. He's got delicate facial features, the features of his face. A feature film which features something specific, a feature attraction. Okay, so a feature, a typical quality, an important part of something. One of the features of the mosque in Cordoba are the black and white stripes on the arches. Okay, this phone has several interesting features. Okay, characteristics. A feature, a geographical feature. Yeah, a beautiful beach, for example. Okay, somebody's facial features. It's something that you notice immediately. So her eyes are her best feature. Yeah, one of the features of my face is this beard that's always been here. Yeah, okay, so a feature. You could have a feature article in a newspaper. Yeah, or on the television. It deals with a particular subject, a particular idea. To feature something that's important. Yeah. Okay. The logo of this company features an important character from history. Okay, so a feature, a noticeable part, a noticeable characteristic. Yeah, something that's very distinctive, something that you notice immediately. So the appearance of the face, a prominent part, a prominent characteristic. There was a feature in the Sunday newspapers about me. No, there wasn't. I should be so lucky. Okay, so a feature, an important part. Music is an important feature of life in this country. This one of the best features of this house is its beautiful garden. So, feature, formality, 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, we've got old French, facture, from Latin, factura, factus, from facio, to do or to make. So, a feature made from. Yeah, it comes from this make. So, a feature is something that is made. Yeah, it's part of the structure, the makeup of something. So enough. If you enjoyed this video featuring me, featuring the word feature, subscribe to my channel, which features many videos about the English language. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Feature.